Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to schedule a message on Telegram Messenger. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: so open your Telegram app and open the conversation where you want to add schedule message, and simply type here your message and long press on the send button and tap on schedule message, and now select the time and tap on send. So here you can see the message has been scheduled, and to see the scheduled message, tap on this schedule icon, and now you can select the message. You can edit, copy and also delete the message by tapping on this icon. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.